Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On April 18th of 2023, dispatchers for the town of Kent received a 911 call.
Kent Police Department?
I just saw somebody ring my doorbell. I usually have no problem with people like soliciting around, but dude was like looking up and down my house. He stood there for a little while. He was writing stuff down, and then I saw him on the Google camera go into my driveway, and it looked like he was looking for my truck. I don't know if you want to just send somebody over there to see what this guy's doing over there. He's not at my property anymore, but I can describe him to you.
Are you at home now?
No, I'm at work. I'm NYPD.
Can you describe him to me?
Yeah, he's wearing like gray pants, tan, like Carhartt type hoodie. It's male white. Yeah, it just struck me as strange. Like usually people ring and then they just go away, but stood there for a little while, and then he wrote something down, and then I saw him go into my driveway.
Yeah, we do have people in the area. It's called home remodeling, and, you know, they're trying to sell you windows and doors, etc. But we'll get somebody up there, see if we can locate him.
This photo was later provided to the officers that were dispatched to find the door-to-door salesman, described as a white male, gray pants, with a tan Carhartt hoodie. At about the same time, Ryan was out for a walk in his neighborhood. He alleges that the town of Kent's chief of police pulled up alongside him in an unmarked vehicle and began questioning him. Ryan continued walking, but when other officers began appearing, he began filming.
No, thank you.
Yes.
No, thank you.
No, come here.
Are you detaining me, sir?
Yes, I am. Stop.
For what crime?
Stop.
What is your reasonable, articulable... Do not touch me, sir.
Turn around.
For what have I done?
I'm detaining you. Turn around.
For what suspicion? What is your reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime?
Yeah, multiple calls about you.
The description given was a white male, gray pants, and a tan Carhartt hoodie. Ryan is not wearing a tan hoodie and has on blue jeans. However, even if he had matched the description, the caller never indicated a crime in which the Kent officers could charge him. While they could certainly ask Ryan questions, they currently have no lawful authority to detain him, and as they cuff Ryan, his camera is shut off. Officer Casparini now activates his body cam, magically missing the interaction prior to going hands-on. Another reason it is so important to film all of your interactions with agents of the state.
What is your RAF? Yes. This is unbelievable.
This is the town's chief of police, Kevin Owens. Apparently, he is the best that they had to pick from.
What is your RAS? It's funny? My freedom is funny to you? Yeah, no, it is. It's hilarious. I just asked you to stop. And I'm not required to do that.
Yeah, yes, you are when criminality is afoot, and we do have a complaint.
What is your reasonable, articulable suspicion?
We don't have to give all that to you.
What is your probable cause?
I have plenty of it.
You do?
I do.
I've never seen you before.
Well, good. Nice to meet you.
This is unbelievable.
Yeah, it is,
This is happening in America?
Yes,
I just saw that.
You shouldn't be looking through people's windows.
Shot a man in their home at the wrong address, and then this is the follow-up in this country?
Let's talk for a second.
No, I don't want to talk to you. I want to be released and free to go. This is unbelievable.
We'll bring him down for...
Just stand with this officer for a second. We're going to talk.
I don't want to.
Okay, well, that's what's going to happen. We're just going to talk for a second.
This is insane. Is anybody available to film this?
No, you're being filmed right now.
No, I want a private... Are you seriously? What is your reasonable suspicion?
Have a seat.
This is incredible that this is happening in America.
Yep.
I'm a free man. I've done no wrong.
Well, now you're detained.
That's fine.
What were you doing in people's yards, looking in their windows?
What are you talking about?
I know
you have
exactly
evidence
what
of
I'm
this?
talking about. Absolutely.
Where, may I see it?
Yeah, multiple
I want an
calls
attorney
about
present
it.
for any questioning.
Okay, that's fine. You can do that. That's your right.
Ryan is smart to refuse to answer questions even though he is innocent. On too many occasions to count, men have been arrested and charged for a seemingly harmless statement about where they were coming from or going to that was just obscure enough to twist into a conviction. The officers now gather to talk, turning off their microphones as they sort through the information they've been given. It has now been over 5 minutes since Ryan was placed in cuffs, much longer than it would have taken to ask dispatch to repeat the original description given.
Alright, man, we're trying to figure out what's going on, okay? Listen, I know. I'm going to tell you, explain to you what. You don't have to talk to me. I'm just going to explain to you why you're in the back of the car right now. Okay? I'd like to know. We got a call from several people saying that there's somebody entering properties, knocking on doors,
Poking in windows.
and you match their description. So that's why you are where you are. Yeah, Ring doorbell camera.
Oh, okay.
So that's what it.
That's fine, and we will. And we're confirming that. You're only being detained right now. Okay? You're not under arrest.
What do you mean I'm not under arrest?
You're not under arrest.
We're just trying to explain to you what's going on.
The crime is what you say.
Yeah, you're not charged with a crime, but you're not under arrest.
You don't know what the word arrest means.
Okay, well, you're being
Arrest
detained
means
right
subdue.
now. Okay.
Detainment would mean the whole thing.
But I'm not here to argue with you. Can we
arrest.
just explain this?
You can do whatever you want.
We're just trying to tell you what's going on.
Detainment. Okay, you're not being charged with a
This is an
crime.
arrest. Exactly, but I am still under arrest. You put me in handcuffs and
If that's your definition of it right now, at this point, we're just talking. We're explaining your circumstances.
You've done more than talk, sir.
Okay, very fine. I don't care what you say. I'm just explaining to you what's going on right now. We're confirming if you match the description of that person right now, okay? And if you don't, and there's nothing wrong, you're going to be released.
Out beforehand.
Okay. I wasn't here for that. I'm just telling you what we're here to
You
do.
cannot do this to somebody. You have to have the evidence first
Sir.
before you can detain somebody.
I didn't put handcuffs on you, did I?
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Somebody did.
Of course. And now you're being detained. And that's
No,
it.
I'm under arrest.
Okay.
I haven't been thrown formally
We
charged
try
with
to tell
crime.
you what's going on. Okay.
We just wanted to let you know
You
what's
did.
going on.
All right.
But you didn't tell me why my
Okay.
rights are being violated.
The officers mute for a second time, during which the chief receives a picture of the suspected salesman. Now, nearly 10 minutes after being placed in cuffs, Ryan is set free, though they were wrong at every point, clearly reaching beyond the constitutional limitations to their authority to violate Ryan's rights. Without any lawful reason whatsoever, the officers now refuse to listen to his grievances while keeping him restrained well beyond the time they realized they were wrong, just to argue against Ryan's complaint.
What he said to you guys when you were talking? Yeah, basically just the, you can't arrest me anymore. That's just being difficult.
Before you.
Ask him if he knows this guy.
Yeah. Hi, man. Here's the deal.
Oh, there's no deal. I don't have any agreements to make with you.
No, it's fine. We're looking for a guy, because there's another guy going around.
That looks like me?
Sweatshirt. Well,
You
we
have
had a
to find that out
sweatshirt.
beforehand. Before you don't have reasonable articulable suspicion.
Well,
You
we had
broke
two
the law.
No,
You are the
no,
criminal in
no,
this instance.
No. So we had two
Yes, you
separate
are.
incidents.
You are
you
violating
with
under
anyone
color
else
of
up
law.
here?
I do not answer questions.
Okay.
I already said I want an attorney present for any questioning.
Okay, we're not
You are
questioning
again
you.
violating my rights. What do you mean? You just asked me a question.
Okay, hop on out, buddy.
Is that an order?
No, I'm just unless you want to sit in the car, okay? Here's your water. The phone's sitting on the hood of my car right there. You can grab it.
Now released, the disgraced chief of police shows his disrespect, disparaging Ryan to create further conflict, though it's already been determined that the only ones that did anything wrong in this encounter were the officers.
Could you back up? I don't want anything to happen here.
No, you're good. We're not going to hurt you.
Yeah, you do. I do?
You seem like you do.
I wanted something to happen.
Yeah, you seem like you do.
Funny, right? You're funny. I'm not done here. What is your name and badge number, sir?
It's right here.
What is?
Yeah,
That's what you tell the judge. What is your name? Can you articulate
read
it?
it.
Can you articulate it, please?
read it.
Can you articulate it?
Chief Owens from the Town of Kent Police
Chief
Department,
Owens.
okay? My officers all have their
What?
names right on
What is
their
your
thing.
badge number? Articulate it,
It
please.
says right there.
it?
37.
Articulate it, please.
Yeah, you got a
Articulate
video.
it, please.
I'm not articulating it.
What
Have
is
a
your
great
badge
day.
number, sir?
One. Number
Wow,
one.
wow, you have disdain for the public?
No, I have to.
What is your name and badge number, sir?
Detective Beauchene, 205.
Thank you very, sir, for your professionalism.
Have a great
Sir,
Yes, sir.
can I get your name and badge number, sir?
Jason F, Detective 35.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
What is this, a new auditor?
Yes. I'm sure.
Fact of the matter is that Ryan is not an auditor. It is likely, however, that Chief Owens and Officer Gasparini have unwittingly created one, as well as a possible lawsuit with their abhorrent behavior. No apology or attempt to make amends. Ryan did file a complaint, but again, this is the Chief of Police. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and be sure to head over to Ryan's channel, linked in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.